It's Bonnie. Happy Wednesday. I am back. Oh my gosh, you guys. I wanted to end the night on a positive note. I was so crabby in the last video over this whole ballet collection. It just is not doing anything for me. Actually, a couple of people were commenting. I've been reading through my comments that it's not that impressive, which I kind of figured there's nothing special about it. So I want to focus on the positive sense this year. And one of them is Snowflakes in Cashmere. I'm really glad they brought this one back. I was a little bit worried they weren't going to bring it back, but it's a really solid scent. It comes in the collection that includes the strawberry snowflakes, the fairy tale, and the winterberry wonder. I really think Bath and Body Works dropped the ball on putting fairy tale in this collection. I think it was meant to look kind of magical, but I feel like fairy tale is so like last year, the year before. It's like I'm over fairy tale. It's like, yeah, they brought it back, but I don't know. I'm just not into it. I really think instead of fairy tale, they could have done another like new scent, because this entire collection is just repackages over and over again. Although I do love strawberry snowflakes. This one I was super happy they brought back. Winterberry Wonder, I feel like it could be an online exclusive. It comes back every year, but nothing special. By the way, Christmas Cookies last year was an online exclusive. I keep crossing my fingers that somehow Christmas Cookies is going to show up in the Holiday Traditions collection, because that's the one thing that's kind of keeping me going. There have been only 3 of these: Frosted Coconut Snowball, Bright Christmas Morning, and Jolly Gingerbread Village. I feel like there should be more in this collection, so I'm kind of hoping Christmas Cookies shows up, and one of the, like, Hot Cocoa and Cream in this collection. I'd like just pass out at this point. I'm really hoping we get more, so fingers crossed. You never know, it could happen. So Snowflakes and Cashmere, amazing scent. It is vanilla cashmere cream, caramel woods, and frosted clementine. It's a really solid, relaxing, warm vanilla scent from Bath and Body Works that has more of like a coziness to it than a foodie element. And it's funny because you know me, I love foodie scents. I was just talking about Wrapped in Vanilla, which you guys know I love so much. I love this one. I'm going to do a video of all the vanilla scents at one point. I still feel like Bath & Body Works has not hit upon a truly vanilla scent. It's just vanilla. There's always something else in it. There's musk, there's sandalwood, there's amber, but this one is good. So if you're looking for cozy, the caramel woods, it's not really a foodie scent. It's more of just like a sweet accent, but it's wonderful. I gotta say, it almost smells like a sweet cashmere sweater. That's what it smells like. There's not a lot of sharpness to it. There's no like odd sharp fruit note, or there's nothing pungent in it, which is nice. It's just a relaxing scent. I actually gifted the mist off. I got to get another mist. Like, I need the mist. This is the shower gel. I actually had 2 of these. One of them is in the shower right now. I actually think I'm going to use this tonight. I need the relaxation of the Snowflakes and Cashmere. I love it in the shower gel. I got to say, it really picks up that nice vanilla note, vanilla cashmere cream. And it's funny, Frosted Clementine, I don't know where they're getting that note, by the way. That's why I kind of wanted to mention the fruit note, because I don't really feel like we're getting like any sharp fruit note in here. You know, like the blood orange in Bright Christmas Morning. It's no, that's a big no for me. One doesn't have any of that. Like I said, it's warm, it's inviting. It just smells good. I gotta say, it's a win. It's like one of the highlights. It's one of the highlights of this Christmas season, and it's a repackage. I gotta say, like Snowflakes and Cashmere and Strawberry Snowflakes. The Snowflakes are like the wins for me this year, aside from the core collection. Winter bean. Vanilla bean Noel, winter candy apple, twisted pepper. You can tell I'm getting tired when I do that. But the snowflakes, they're the winners. Like, you can actually even combine these, which I've done. So if you mix the snowflakes, the strawberry snowflakes, and snowflakes and cashmere, you kind of get a little bit of that, like, cozy strawberry vanilla thing going on. These two are definitely a mashup recommendation. So anyway, those are winners. So if you haven't shopped the mini sale yet and you're looking for good minis to try, I would choose those two because these are definitely highlights of the season. Anyway, thank you so much for bearing with me in these late night videos. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.